As a leading integrator of automated warehouse solutions, Suzhou Deli Group has a deep understanding of the craftsmanship, structure, and strength requirements of industrial racks, as well as the importance of ensuring compatibility with intelligent logistics equipment. The company owns its own industrial rack factory, which is equipped with advanced machinery and utilizes high-quality materials sourced from top steel mills. With cutting-edge processing technology and years of experience in the ASRS industry, Suzhou Deli Group produces a variety of industrial racks, including pallet shuttle racking, tote shuttle racking, stacker racking, drive-in racking, pushback racking, and beam racking, all known for their high precision and exceptional reliability.